How to make YouTube thumbnail using YouTube thumbnail maker on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can make YouTube thumbnail using YouTube thumbnail maker on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and on the search bar type PicsArt.com to enter the official website of the PicsArt. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. On this homepage, you will see a magnifying glass resembling search icon just ahead of your profile picture. Click on it and you will enter to a new page where you can see different designing tools at the top. Here, hover your cursor to the design option and below you will find various maker templates. From here, select YouTube thumbnail maker under social media heading just below LinkedIn banner maker. Here at the bottom left you will see create a YouTube thumbnail option. Click on it and you will be entering the editing space. At the left side of this page you will find different YouTube thumbnails available. Here, make sure to choose the one that isn't marked as plus. Once you find the thumbnail that catches your eye, double click on that thumbnail to bring it to your canvas. Once you bring it to your canvas, now you can edit further and customize it as per your preference. At the right side, you will see various elements included in this template. By simply clicking on them, you can edit them. In this way, you can create YouTube thumbnail using YouTube thumbnail maker on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.